Hey, this is Maureen. I want to show you how to make the slides more interactive. In other words, so you can share it to students and make it editable, but also that you won't be able to click certain elements that you want to keep in the same spot. So for example, in this slide, we want to be able to move this zebra and this one. We want the rest of these elements to stay the same. So first make a copy so in case we mess something up. And then you're gonna select the draggable ones and get rid of those for a second. And then you're gonna file. Now there's more, you can also do this in a drawing, but I'm gonna show you this way. I think it's easier. And then you wanna download just this slide as a PNG. So basically it's going to make this a picture that will set on the background instead of having, no, so students can't click on them. Yeah, my computer for some reason takes forever to download. All right, so we'll get rid of this. And then we're gonna make, instead, we're gonna change the background. And let's pick that file we just had right here. Oh, it's going slow. All right, so bam. So look, now I can't click on this. And then these guys will be interactive. And then when you share this with students, you should pick the option to make a copy for each student. All right, there's probably better tutorials online, but I just figured I would show you. So if you want to do that, thanks. Bye.